Hello there and welcome to another video, and today in this video I will be sharing some valuable tips and tricks for Uber Eats drivers, whether you're just starting out or looking to optimize your delivery routine. This video is packed with insights aimed to boosting your earnings and efficiency on the road. So if that sounds about right, let's dive into 10 essential tips for Uber Eats drivers in 2024. Alright, so the first thing is to drive at the right times. Now you see, timing is crucial in the world of food delivery, so aiming for peak hours like the lunch rush, which spans from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. and of course dinner or late night crowd, which spans between 5 p.m. to 11 p.m. on weekdays. And of course, as you all know, weekends see a high demand throughout the day, so it would be nice to capitalize on these hours for steady orders and of course increased earnings. Number 2, taking advantage of surge pricing. Now, keeping an eye out for surge notifications in the app, especially during high demand periods like major events or bad weather. Surge pricing means more earnings for you, so position yourself strategically during busy times. Number 3, leverage weather conditions. Now, bad weather tends to increase demand for food delivery, so by braving the elements and of course heading out during rain or snow, you can tap into a surge of orders and boost your earnings significantly. Number 4, know your area. Now, familiarize yourself with your city's layout to optimize delivery efficiency. Identify popular restaurants and delivery destinations to minimize travel time and maximize earnings. Number 5, use a thermal bag. Now, it would be nice to invest in a quality thermal bag to ensure that food stays fresh and of course warm during delivery. Since of course happy customers are more likely to tip and reorder, so maintaining a food quality is essential for increasing earnings. Number 6, planning efficient routes. Now, utilizing GPS and route planning tools to plot the quickest paths between pickups and drop-offs. Since of course efficient routine saves time, fuel and of course vehicle wear and tear, allowing you to complete more deliveries in less time. Number 7, provide excellent customer service. Now, personalizing the delivery experience with friendly greetings and of course professionalism builds a positive rapport with customers, can lead to higher tips and repeat business. Number 8, maintaining your vehicle. Now, regular maintenance ensures that your vehicle is reliable and of course safe for deliveries. From oil changes to tire rotations, prioritize vehicle upkeep to avoid breakdowns and delays would help in the long run. Number 9, staying organized. Now, keeping detailed records of earnings, expenses and of course hours worked to track your net income and optimize your earnings, since organizing your finances transforms your gig into a streamlined business operation. And finally, number 10, taking regular breaks. Now, schedule breaks to recharge mentally and physically, since driving without adequate rest can lead to fatigue and of course decreased performance, compromising your safety and of course your earnings. Alright, and that was it. 10 practical tips to keep your Uber Eats driving more profitable and of course enjoyable. Feel free to leave a like and of course subscribe to the channel for more tips and tutorials, and I will see you in another video.